How did your day start? Did you wake up to a blaring alarm, grab your phone to doom scroll through emails and social media, and then rush out the door with a coffee and a feeling of panic? 1. 2. By the time you got to work, did you feel like you were already running behind, your mind scattered and your body tense? If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. This chaotic start is not just a bad habit. It's a direct route to feeling stressed and overwhelmed for the entire day. But what if you could change it? What if you could wake up with intention and create a calm, purposeful morning that sets you up for success? In this video, we're going to dive deep into the science of morning anxiety, help you recognize the signs, and give you a powerful, step-by-step routine to find your calm. Chapter 1. The science behind your body's response. For many of us, mornings feel like a race we're already losing. The feeling of being on edge and overwhelmed is often a direct result of how we begin our day. Why it happens. The science behind it is simple. Anxiety is a complex cognitive, affective, physiological, and behavioral response system. It's your body's natural fight-or-flight response to a perceived threat. When you start your day with chaos and digital overload, you are directly triggering this stress response. Your body operates on a natural internal clock called the circadian rhythm. And in the morning, your cortisol levels, the primary stress hormone, are naturally at their peak. When you add the stress of a blaring alarm, rushing, or social media, you cause a further spike in cortisol. This keeps your body and mind in a high alert state, making you feel irritable and scattered before your day has even begun. This also leads to decision fatigue, where the pressure of making multiple small choices at the beginning of the day drains your mental energy and affects your ability to handle stress later on. Tying 4. Chapter 2. Recognizing the signs, is it more than just stress? While occasional anxiety is a normal part of life, persistent and excessive worry can be a sign of an anxiety disorder. These disorders can begin in childhood or the teen years and continue into adulthood. You can even have more than one type of anxiety disorder, such as generalized anxiety disorder, GAD, social anxiety disorder, or panic disorder. So, how do you know if what you're feeling is more than just a passing moment of worry? Here are the key symptoms and signs to look for. Physical symptoms: increased heart rate and palpitations, rapid breathing or hyperventilation, sweating and trembling, feeling weak, tired, or dizzy, nausea or an upset stomach, muscle tension and cold hands or feet. Psychological and behavioral symptoms: a sense of impending danger, panic, or doom, feeling nervous, restless, or tense, difficulty concentrating with your mind going blank, irritability and a feeling of being on edge, trouble sleeping or staying asleep, an urge to avoid things or situations that trigger your anxiety. For social anxiety specifically, you might feel extreme self-consciousness, avoid eye contact, or feel as though your mind has gone blank in social situations. If you feel like you are worrying too much and it's interfering with your work, relationships, or daily life, it might be time to seek professional help. Early intervention is key, as anxiety can be harder to treat if you wait. Chapter 3. The Mindful Morning Routine. A holistic solution. The key to a stress-free day is not to add more tasks to your morning, but to create a routine that intentionally reduces stress and builds emotional resilience. It's about being proactive, not reactive. 1. Consistent wake-up time. This is the foundation of a successful routine. Waking up at the same time every day, even on weekends, helps to regulate your body's internal clock. A consistent sleep-wake cycle not only improves sleep quality but also promotes a better mood and emotional stability throughout the day. 2. Hydrate. Immediately after a full night's sleep, your body is dehydrated. The first thing you should do is drink a glass of water. This simple act rehydrates your body, jumpstarts your metabolism, and clears away the brain fog, helping you feel more alert and focused. Even mild dehydration can make you feel more anxious. 3. Move your body, even a little. Just 10-15 minutes of mindful movement can make a world of difference. Physical activity releases endorphins, the feel-good chemicals, which can alleviate stress and elevate your mood. Solution: try a gentle yoga flow or some basic stretches. The research mentions techniques like pranayama or breath control, and specific poses like Tadasana or Cobra pose to soothe the nervous system and sharpen mental focus. Even a brisk 10-minute walk outside can be incredibly beneficial. 4. Practice mindfulness or meditation. This is your antidote to the frantic pace of modern life. Spending even a few minutes in stillness can quiet the stream of jumbled thoughts that are crowding your mind. Solution: you can practice deep breathing exercises or simply focus on your breath. The repetitive nature of this practice provides a calming distraction for your racing mind and gives you a sense of inner peace. You can also practice mindfulness during simple tasks like making your morning coffee or making your bed. 5. Fuel your body with a nutritious breakfast. What you eat in the morning can either fuel your anxiety or give you stable energy. Dietary solution: start with a breakfast that includes protein and complex carbohydrates, such as oatmeal with nuts and berries. Protein at breakfast helps keep your blood sugar steady, and complex carbs raise the amount of serotonin in your brain, which can have a calming effect. You can also incorporate foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, like fatty fish, flax seeds, and walnuts, to support brain health. What to avoid? To support your mental clarity, limit or avoid caffeine, which can make you feel jittery and nervous. Also, stay away from high-sugar, highly processed foods, as they can cause blood sugar spikes that trigger anxiety. 6. Set daily intentions. Take a few moments to think about your day and write down 1 or 2 intentions. By identifying a positive focus or goal, you shift your mindset from reactive to proactive, allowing you to tackle your day with clarity and purpose. 7. Limit morning screen time. This is a crucial step. Resist the urge to check your phone or emails immediately. This habit exposes your brain to stress and prevents you from easing into the day peacefully. Try leaving your phone in another room or dedicating the first 30 minutes of your day to your routine without any digital distractions. Conclusion: remember, your morning routine is not just a list of tasks, it's a powerful ritual that sets the tone for your day. By being intentional with how you wake up and taking small, consistent steps, you can lower your stress hormones, increase your mental clarity, and build the emotional resilience needed to thrive. The mission of the Wellness Path is to help you build a healthier and happier life by nurturing your mind, body, and soul. If this video truly helped you, and you want to continue on this journey with us, please show your support. Like this video and subscribe to the channel, and together, we will continue to bring you the best tips and tricks for a life of true wellness. Thank you for watching, and be well. Disclaimer: this information is for educational purposes only and is not intended to be a substitute for professional clinical care or medical advice. Please consult a healthcare provider for guidance specific to your case.